Hello everyone. If you're listening to this, I am assuming you are trying to decide whether to use PowerPoint or Prezi. My name is Jacob Roy, and today I will be demonstrating the process of adding and changing design templates or themes inside of these two programs. After viewing this slidecast, you should be able to understand the steps of this task and be able to tell which one will be most usable to you. We will start off by completing this task with PowerPoint. After opening the application, a screen will appear, prompting the user to choose from one of the many templates. From this screen, the user may choose from suggested searches or even search for online templates. I will choose one of my recent themes and continue into my presentation. If the user believes a better theme will work for their presentation, they may click Design and view more templates from the drop-down. Another feature PowerPoint offers is the design ideas on the right side of the screen. These design ideas are created by the application and change constantly. Now moving on to Prezi, upon opening the program, the user is prompted to choose one of their existing presentations or make a new one. For the purpose of this screencast, I will create a new presentation. Immediately, the user will be asked to choose a template. There is a choice of popular templates, recent templates, and a section with even more. I'll choose a random template and continue on to the editing window. Continuing, the user may now click Customize and see a great deal of options to customize their theme. You can change the color of the background or even insert a picture file. On top of this, we can add a preset color theme. After testing several color themes, the user has the option of reverting back to the original. Now both PowerPoint and Prezi offer many theme and design templates which can be customized to the user's liking. I would consider both options great choices for usability and they come down to personal preference. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps in your decision on which presentation software to use. Thank you.